just hit the 20,000 subscribers, and that is so huge to us. So we want to say big thank you to everyone.
Yes.
And we have noticed we have some new subscribers also.
Little bit about our history. So 2016 we basically decided to have a 1 year leave from work and go to travel. We sold our apartment, and with that money we bought this van. So after the trip we have been working normal day jobs.
So you can work a normal office job and live inside of your RV or camper van. So you can have this static van life too. We are still feeling really excited about this lifestyle, so the magic has not worn out.
Yeah, that's one thing I have surprised. I'm still really excited when we go to places with the van, and when we park to the places, and when you can actually
discover these new places
and lay down on your bed and look outside, and there's basically just forest and no neighbors, and
it's priceless.
Yeah, all the positive things has been still positive, and and just a little bit negative things, but we don't mind those.
Yeah, life is all about the trade-off. You gain something and you lose something, so overall this has been really positive. And of course we have not decided how long we are going to live in this van, but now it seems we could live
forever.
Yeah.
I was actually interviewed a couple of weeks ago, and always the first question is what are the negative things that we have experienced during the lifestyle. And when there are no negative things, people are like, okay, are you lying or something?
Yeah.
But really there's just a small negative thing. So our toilet is small. We have to empty it quite often.
We have to fill the water every week.
We have to go to the laundromat. But those are things that are, okay, they are a bit negative, but they are still manageable. So basically a normal life. Now today we are planning to go make a food on live fire, and after that come back to the van, just be lazy.
Yeah.
Stare at the computer or phone or outside, and nothing particular.
I'm so excited about our new laundry basket. It lives in a corner. This grating. It has a lid and it has wheels, so we can push it around. There's a perfect corner for a laundry basket, but it moves there when we drive, so we have not discovered yet. Do we put like a rope around it, or do we put like Velcro? But we need to take it out when we take the basket to the self-service laundrette.
So we have been in a camping ground for whole winter, and it has been precious winter. Oh, it has been felt like eternity to be there.
We don't like to be there, but we kind of have to, because solar isn't enough, so we need to be pulled to the grid in winter time.
Yeah.
But now the real freedom starts, and we start living off-grid. 1 second.
Yes, and we do it every winter, so we go to camping grounds and work, and then when the spring comes, then we hit the road and
come
be
to
here.
These nature spots.
And this is the reason why we actually went for the van life in first place.
Yeah.
So, yeah, living the dream.
Look at this. Beautiful. The weather is kind of cold and horrible windy, but the scenery is really beautiful. At the moment we are parked at this boat club. What is it? Yacht club?
Yacht club. They have this
boat
house.
ramp and deck and
Their house there.
yeah. Pretty cheeky place in summertime, so we would not come here when it's full summer, but now springtime, because the boats are not in the lake yet.
Yes, talking about solar at the moment, so
We are partly in shade.
but we have full batteries already.
Yeah.
We have the Victron Connect. We can actually see the situation. So basically from morning time, it took 5 hours to charge our batteries to full. But it started like in 4 in the morning, because the sun is starting to rise. And now we have full batteries. It's telling it gives us 100 watts at the moment, but it's on absorption at the moment, so batteries are full.
Yeah, we love sunny days.
Yeah, and now this time of year we can actually also work from our van. Yeah, so that's also an option because we work when the sun is up and the solar panel is giving us more than one working laptop is taking.
Yeah. We love these lazy mornings. We wake up and then we brew coffee and then we just chill and then chill some more. And
I think we woke up like 3 or 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
And just have eaten breakfast and
it takes a little bit time, but that's the way we like it.
yeah.
Does the bear shit in the forest? No! If you are a lady bear, you use this booth, or if you are a male bear, you use this.
We are just so lucky because Finland is one is land of thousands of lakes, and two, there's thousands and thousands of fireplaces for the public. So I think at least on the larger lakes there's always spots where you can actually make a fire and make a food. Lake that we are at the moment. Yeah, Vanajavesi. Huge lake.
It's beautiful, gorgeous place to be in. I don't know if it's too windy. Look at the seagull go. Woo!
Lucky for us, because we tend to be here when there's nobody else. And also it's good to be here with the camper van, because when the sun goes down or rain comes or anything negative, always people leave the place and we have the place for us, just for ourselves. This is actually owned by Hämeenlinna city and they are maintaining the place, and these are pretty common here in Finland. So cities are maintaining outdoor areas and bringing the firewood, and also there's a lots of yhdistys, associations that maintain outdoor areas and national parks and protected areas and everything. So it's pretty common to have outdoor places like these in Finland.
But fun fact, there's never any recycling or trash bins in these outdoor areas. So.
Or really rare, because they wanted everyone to pack their things, and that's like a rule number 1. Pack what you bring here.
Leave no trace.
There's always a public bins that we use where we dump our trash, because we don't have home where we can bring the trash. So yeah. And recycling in Finland is pretty common, so we recycle like bio-waste, plastics, cardboard, tin cans, glass. All the bottles has the punt system.
Yeah, people hate plastic, but plastic is really great material, especially when you live in a camper van, because it's lightweight, it's durable, it doesn't break. The problem with the plastic is people buy plastic and don't use it that often. So
I think it's gonna be raining in a moment.
Yeah, it's so nice to have a nice cozy van where we can go after spending cold nights outdoors. You can make these kind of cream fillings yourself, but we are kind of lazy and we buy these ready products. So this is the crème bonjour yrttitarha. So we are going to take the leg out and put this sauce inside of them, and Joni is going to wrap his mushrooms with the bacon and then we put them on a grill. Why tofu?
You can fill with the tofu inside. So you put tofu in here, take
Yeah.
leg out, put tofu and this one.
Then I block it with the cream.
Yes.
Okay. Knivu. Knivu is keklu in Finnish. Also, if you are building a van, we advise you to put the stove next to the door. So when you make food, it makes a lot of steam and grease. So you can open the door
Yeah.
and let the fumes out.
Somebody disagreed on our video that this is the most stupidest thing to make it, but I think
This is the
Same.
most clever way. It's always a risk when you put yourself online because people like to criticize you, and of course you need to have a thick skin.
we always read all the comments.
Yeah.
We might not reply to every comment, but
We
at
read.
least we read them.
Yes, so thank you everyone for commenting our videos. But replying the comments is kind of hard because we reply them in a phone, and when you write a foreign language, it's kind of... It takes a lot of time. So it's not personal if we don't reply your comments. We like reading them and we appreciate them very much. Thank you. I'm so hungry, I always eat when I'm prepping.
Sauce for the cauliflower.
Okay. Yep, it's enough.
Korean BBQ from Lidl. We love Lidl.
Lidl is the best store in the whole universe. My machines are filled with tofu.
Mine is filled with bacon. Ei ole mitään syytä laittaa toisin perintaisin.
Joni is making white noodles.
Ready-made locks. Yeah, they're actually filling up this weekly. So there ain't that much logs that you can steal. Because there is always some idiots that come here, take the logs to their summer cottages or houses. And there's actually a sign saying it's not meant to use on your own cottage.
Not that much summer vibe thing going on.
At least I think on the video it doesn't look like summer at all. And I'm having 4 layers now
Yeah.
on me, so this is the best part, making food on a live fire. We love it.
And this time not fail.
Yes. Suu auki, niin se on. Oh yeah. Boy.
Paksa noin palaa.
Also, outhouses are closed because of the COVID. There might be some COVID luring in the shit. So this is our home path. As you can see, we have the house just by the lake. So it's Lakeside apartment. We have some neighbors pretty close, but they are not home at the moment. I think the dogs are home because they are parking.
Home sweet motorhome.
Pulla and Dino, always greeting us. They are so excited every time we come home. Pulla hyvää. And when Pulla gets excited, he goes drink water.
Chilling next to the live fire. Cozy in a van. Dino is dying.
No,
Every
don't
day.
die.
Pullu is not dying. The fire is dying. We always try to go.
Dipping in the lake.
Sometimes it doesn't
Work that good.
work that good because the water is freezing cold and you cannot really get like nice dippy pictures.
No, just to get some.
Fluis is juicing.
Yes. Let's drink coffee.